Today I'm gonna do ramen egg. This is my own personal recipe. And ignore that sound. I do not have diarrhea.
What did you do last night?
My recipe is I make a concentrated marinade and then I add water when I'm ready to use it. So I have ginger here. I'm just gonna cut in big chunks. So that's about a 3-inch piece there. I have garlic. Just gonna give it a quick smash.
Throw a couple on the floor for good luck.
Yep. In there. Green onion. Everything's gonna be strained.
Size don't matter.
The size don't matter. 1 liter of soy sauce here, gluten-free. Doesn't have to be gluten-free, but that's what we have. Just over half a cup of mirin. A 1/4 cup of sugar, which I'm gonna eyeball.
Nailed it.
Just gonna bring this up to a simmer, and we're gonna strain it after. This has come to simmer for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna strain the contents now. Our ramen egg marinade is strained and cooled, and so this is a concentrate. To save room in the fridge, I like to make a concentrated version and then add water when you need it. But obviously you're gonna downsize this so it won't take up too much room in your fridge. So the ratio is 1 part marinade to 4 parts water. That much. Like that. Right, so I have my soft boiled eggs here, and then I have the marinade. I'm gonna do a whole bunch more, so I do have a lot more marinade than I need. But you just want it to cover the eggs.
I thought they always say to not put all your eggs in one bucket.
Well, I'm going to break the rule today. So these ones should marinate a minimum of 3 days if you want the yolks to be nice and gooey, jammy. But you can, if you want to rush it, just 2 days is good. So we have our soft boiled ramen egg. These have been marinating for 3 days.
Oh, it's so jelly-like.
Yeah.
It's like jam.
So you'll see how it's kind of cured in there. So the soy marinade has penetrated all the way through the yolk, and that's what you want. Soft.
Look at